Second day of this massive amount of rain. It's just like the sky opened up and water just pouring everywhere. And thunder and lightning. There's a little river down at the base of my stairs. Water just pouring off the roof. That's my back alley. It's just amazing the amount of water coming down. A few minutes ago, you couldn't even see the driveway. Yep, been doing that all afternoon. Pretty crazy.